For liner, use a matching lip pencil. For everyday wear, pick longwear, smudge-proof or water-resistant formulas. For drying weather, dark shades and bold lips, use a hydrating primer and lightweight moisturizing layers. Apply lipstick using a lip brush for more even and precise application, lip pencil for defined edges and applicator for fuller coverage. Start at the center of your bottom lip and smoothly build up color, blending well at the edges to avoid an uneven line. Keep lipstick in place using a liner and apply with patted motions rather than dragging color across lips. Define lips with a matching or contrasting lip liner. Line the outer edges of lips and inner rims for fuller shape. Use short strokes and smudge edges for a blended look. For bleeding color outside lines, choose shades in the same tone family. Contour lips upwards at the outer edges for a duck or heart shape. Apply a blot and buff technique for prevention of feathering and transfer. Let initial application fully settle on lips for 3 to 5 minutes. Gently blot excess lipstick from the inner and outer rim of lips using a tissue. Use a small lip brush and some loose or pressed powder to buff off any remaining excess. Reapply lipstick for any areas needing touch-up. For long wear, apply a spray-on setting mist or use a powder made for setting makeup. Setting lips prevents lipstick from feathering, smudging, transferring, and fading throughout the day. Look for water-resistant and transfer-proof setting sprays under $30. Consider lipstick as the final step for your makeup look. Choose accessory shades and intensities in lip liners, glosses and stains to achieve desired effects with your lipstick. Play around with different application techniques, definitions, feathering and setting until you achieve phenomenal lipstick application. With practice, applying beautiful and long-lasting lipstick will become second nature. Start with your favorite shades to build confidence in your skills. Beautiful lips are a focal point in any makeup look. Applying lipstick is a great way to add color and definition to your lips. However, applying lipstick can be tricky, as it requires precision and technique to achieve a flawless finish. In this guide, I will take you through some tips on how to apply lipstick for a beautiful, long-lasting finish. Prep your lips. Before applying lipstick, it's important to prep your lips properly. Use a lip scrub to remove any dead skin cells, and apply a lip balm to hydrate your lips. Allow the lip balm to absorb into your lips for a few minutes before moving on to the next step. Use a lip liner. Using a lip liner can help to define your lips and prevent your lipstick from bleeding.